There is a new line of travel trailers and fifth wheels that have came out that are these Eddie Bauer collection of travel trailers and fifth wheels that if you are somebody that is really picky about aesthetics on the inside, I think you will really, really like. But you let me know. Let's go take a look. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. If this is your first time here, my name is Myles with Firmly Unbound, and if you are a returning viewer, we're here at the Hershey RV show, and this is actually going to be a product that will be a exclusive with Camping World. And then this is a really, really interesting trailer that we're looking at because it's all Eddie Bauer branded. However, you're probably like, well, who makes this thing? Like what brand of travel trailer is this? It is a Heartland product. Now, Heartland makes the Trail Runner stick and tin style travel trailer, or an aluminum sided wood frame travel trailer in a more conventional terms. This has a really nice looking siding, and I haven't looked at the 2024 Trail Runners yet, but it's very different than the Trail Runner, that's for sure, with the aesthetics and everything. So really, really interesting right off the bat. The aluminum siding has a really, really nice look. It's not like that wavy material. It still obviously has the seams in it and whatnot in the indentations, but it looks very clean nonetheless. Now, I will put the floor plan layout and the specs on the screen here, whatever I can find, but just know this is a heavy travel trailer. So this is like, you're gonna want a 3/4 ton truck for something like this. This is not half-ton towable for sure, because your unloaded vehicle weight rating is 8,217 pounds, and it is 37 3/4 feet long. So it is a big travel trailer. Definitely recommend at least a 3/4 ton truck, and it is even prepped for washer dryer. So if you wanted to get a washer dryer in there, that will add more weight, and it has a pretty considerable cargo carrying capacity as well. We're gonna walk back over here real quick just to look at that spec real fast, where you have a cargo carrying capacity of 3,213 pounds. So a lot of weight that you can put inside of here, and you can definitely load this thing up, and it can get pretty heavy. You do have a windshield up front as well, two 20-pound propane bottles, power tongue jack, battery disconnect switch there that is nicely confined into the space so you don't have like wiring sticking out everywhere. That looks nice, and spot for batteries up front. We're gonna go along the non-camp side real fast, where you're gonna have a rack and pinion style slide out on here and on the rear slide out. So 2 slide outs in total. Down underneath here, you have a fully enclosed underbelly. All your water tanks and water lines sit above that enclosed underbelly, and the furnace will keep those from freezing. You do have a dump valve right there, but that looks like it's just for a gray tank in the kitchen. And then you're going to have a black and gray tank dump valve here for your bathroom. And then you do have a third gray tank along the back that is going to be for your washer and dryer, should you decide that you want to install that. 50 amp power connection right here in the middle of the RV, as well as some of your water connections and your satellite connections. You have a storage compartment here on the non-camp side. This is going to be what will be underneath your bed essentially. And then as we keep coming back this way, another storage space down underneath here. And you're going to have prepped to add a backup camera, plus it is also prepped to add a retractable Lippert ladder there as well. Additional spare tire off the back. It is a Goodyear Endurance spare tire, so you're not getting a cheap spare, you're getting a Goodyear Endurance spare tire. And then you're going to have an ability to store things in the sewer hose off the back here as well. So we come back around to the campsite. Obviously, you can see your awning here covers both entry doors. You have more storage access here. However, this is going into the closet that also has the washer dryer prep in it. So if you put a washer dryer in here, that is no longer going to become a usable space from the exterior. Looks like you have, these are going to be JBL speakers outside, more at your sitting ear level. So like that. And then you're probably curious about the price too. You have that here. Luckily, they have this on display now. And here at this Hershey RV show, it is $43,995. MSRP is $62,360. So these are kind of the payments here. All of your estimated payments, this is with 20% down at a 9.74% interest rate for 168 months. So that is what that payment is calculated at there. And then these are your specs here. Your hitch weight is 1,262 pounds there. So that is something to keep in mind. It is a very heavy hitch weight. That's what really will push this out of being half-ton towable. Now, as we go inside, you have the MORryde step above step. So this is going to be a solid step making contact with the ground on this entry. And then you have a traditional step there. Also has really nice looking wheels. and a Goodyear Endurance tire there. This is a 33 FK, and as we come up into here, this is a front kitchen model, so you have 2 recliners there, jackknife sofa that is currently in a bed position, and then look at the interior colors in here. It definitely has a Eddie Bauer feel. There's like no doubt about that. They did a real good job staying on brand to what their aesthetic is. Ceiling height in here, I noticed that right away as well. It feels like it's like 6'7", 6'8" at least. Standing on my tippy toes, I still have like an extra 2, maybe 3 inches before I get to the point where I would hit my head on the ceiling. So great ceiling height. And then across the front, you have this really nice looking front kitchen. It's like a, kind of like almost a foresty green kind of color here on your cabinets and drawers with gold handles. Pull-out drawers there. That's going to be 3 of them that are all the same size. Storage underneath the sink. This is going to have some shelving built into it. And then you're going to have some additional storage here as well. Storage in that space. You have a shelf going across the top of your window here. You have this front window so you get that view out into your camping environment. You have a really nice looking black and gold kind of industrial looking faucet there. Stainless steel sink, lots of countertop space, outlet here in the corner as well. And then you have your light up underneath here and storage space up in here. This is actual, is that actual tile? This is actual tile, so that's nice too. Definitely not something I can recall seeing in any other stick and tin style travel trailer. And then this is a little bit bigger suburban oven underneath here, so that is nice as well, with a nice large 3-burner stove. Window there, vent fan, and a light, and then a standard size RV microwave. It has the Everchill refrigerator, which is going to be a bigger refrigerator than you will find in, I want to say, any other travel trailer in this class. This is really impressive. I mean, this is definitely, ooh, we're taped there. Did not see the tape. But this is definitely a bigger refrigerator than I've seen in any other entry-level travel trailer that I could recall, or stick and tin style travel trailer. You have a dining table here. It has kind of open access to storage underneath here, so definitely not what you typically would see. 2 legs holding up the table, and then that will collapse down and make into a bed when you want it to. Plus, of course, you have the Eddie Bauer branding all over the place in here. Really nice looking light fixture. It says Eddie Bauer in the slide out fascia as well. And then as you come across from this area, you have your pantry here. So a nice good pantry space that does have a motion activated light in there. So if that were on, it would have turned on when I opened the door. Prep to add a Wi-Fi router. You have a Coleman Mach AC system, so pretty dang quiet. It is on full blast right now, and I don't feel like I have to talk over it at all. Nice looking TV, and then that is directly across from your sofa, where this is a jackknife sofa, so let's get this into the sofa position. But real quick, you do have storage down underneath that space as well. You have outlets here right next to the booth dinette as I get this sofa put back into the correct position. And now you're going to have that 3-cushion sofa here directly across from the TV. It was a little interesting going with the 3-cushion sofa instead of the recliners in that position, but yeah, I'm not too terribly sure about that. But as you can see here, TV will swivel around, so you can sit here in the recliner and still have a view of the TV. It's not like you can't see it. So you can do that. You have a Greystone fireplace, so a nice good electric fireplace there. And a nice big storage space down underneath here with your JBL sound controls as well. And behind the TV, doesn't look like there's anything going on back behind there, which probably means there's, oh no, nothing over here either. I wonder what's behind this space. It's like, I feel like there should be something back there, but I don't know what's on the other side of this wall. So that's interesting. It's kind of a, I mean, there's wiring here. Did I miss something on the outside? Let's hope I didn't miss something out here. Oh, okay, I did. I missed an outdoor kitchen. I had a feeling I missed something. You have a griddle cooktop here and an outdoor refrigerator here underneath your awning as well. So I really felt like I missed something. And also should note, this is like a stainless steel looking screen door here as well. So that's a little unconventional and not common. Both recliners here, they will recline, and then you have your storage space up above this space as well. And you're going to have speakers in the ceiling. They are a JBL sound system, so great for what is a aluminum sided wood frame travel trailer. Get the light on in the hallway into the bathroom. Haven't even looked in here yet, and all the same colors in here. You have a corner radius shower, lots of storage, lots and lots of storage. Little space there and storage underneath here. And then going into the corner, you have your shower here. This hopefully will have an adequate height. Oh yeah, so ceiling height to here is probably almost 6'4", and then you could probably be 6'6", 6'7", and fit in this space. And this is up pretty dang high too, so it is above all. I mean, I might just have to duck down just a tad to get my head underneath it completely, but not a bad height whatsoever in that shower there. So I like that a lot. You got your sink here in this portion, nice shaped sink that looks like it's a plastic sink. Cabinets there and storage underneath here. Plus you have, this looks like it is a porcelain, yep, foot flush toilet in the corner, and it does have a soft closed toilet seat lid. Plenty of room on both sides as well, so you can have plenty of shoulder space. I really messed up because I came in here with my backpack on, and I'm going to take it off now, but it really got in the way while I was there in that bathroom space. Going back into the bedroom, you have a ton of floor space in here. Queen size bed there. That's going to be a residential queen. A lot of floor space in this area. Second entry door to come in here as well. If you want washer dryer, it will go in this area here. You can do a stackable washer and dryer, or it's just going to be storage space. And then closet here through this area has a nice motion activated light as well. And then if I flip this up, you will have storage up underneath the bed. And look at this. You have pet bowls here in the bedroom, and that can also be like a kennel spot for a dog as well. But even if you don't use it for the kennel, you still have pet bowls in there for food and water for your pets. So that is a very interesting idea as well that I just think is fun and playful. And I have a dog, so I always appreciate stuff like that. And I like having that stuff. Storage space through here, that will go all the way through. Light up here as well. And two more lights down underneath here, so that really improves the lighting. This comes with some really soft bedding. That is really, really nice as well. You have some additional storage space right here. So this will be storage down through here and a window there, plus a spot to install a TV if you wanted to install a TV on this wall. Has a sliding style door here for your privacy, and then that is just about everything. So y'all, let me know what you think about this travel trailer RV, and if you just like the aesthetic of this, there's so many other Eddie Bauer fifth wheels and travel trailers out there as well that I'm going to be making videos of. I don't want to show too many people on camera, but there's quite a few of them, and I probably won't get to making videos of all of them. But if you like the idea of this and you are interested in a travel trailer like this, definitely go down to that link down below in the comments or in the description, and I would love to help. That's all I got for y'all. Until next time, live firmly unbound.